Who's buzzing?
What say we break for lunch?
But what about honey?
It's your honey or your life!
Oh boy.
Piglet! Piglet! Perhaps we should look in the book again.
Hey, I just got a terrific idea. Let's see where the book ends and go there. What do you think?
No, no, no. If we do this in an orderly manner, we'll find him much quicker. Now let's see. We've been there and there.
But orderlier doesn't seem to be working, does it?
All I'm concerned about is finding Piglet.
Well, I want to find him too.
We all want to find him.
Rabbit, look!
Oh, well,
Rabbit, your book.
Oh, my.
You're ruining it, Rabbit.
I am not.
Hand it over, bunny boy. Finding piglets is what piglets do best.
It's what rabbits do best.